Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope that you all are perfectly fine. In this video, we're going to learn LG washing machine sound problem and troubleshooting. So without any further ado, let's get started our video. Here is how troubleshoot noise issue with the LG washing machine. Okay, so let us learn noise during the spin cycle and noise during the wash cycle. So first, let's start with noise during spin cycle. So step 1 is thumping sound. The thumping sound is usually caused by heavy or bunched up clothing in the drum. Pause the cycle, rearrange the laundry to distribute in evenly, then resume the cycle. Now, step 2. Vibrating noise. Ensure all shipping bolts have been removed from the back of the washer. Make sure the washer is level and on the solid, non-flexible floor. Adjust the leveling legs if needed. Third point is check if any packaging material is still attached to the washer. Now, step 3. Rattling or clanking noise. Pause the cycle and check the drum for any foreign objects like coins, keys or pins that may be causing the noise. If the noise continues after removing the objects, the washer will likely require service. Now, let's move to the second part, that is noise during the wash cycle. So, step 1 is thumping or pounding noise. Pause the cycle and rearrange the laundry to ensure it is evenly distributed in the drum. Avoid overloading the washer. The tub should be about 2-3 full of optional performances. Step 2, that is whirring sound before spin. This is the normal sound of the drain pump activating before the spin cycle. However, if the sound is excessively loud, check and clean the drain pump filter. In summary, most washing machine noises are caused by unbalanced loads, foreign objects or improper installation. Following the troubleshooting steps provided should help resolve this issue. So in the end, I hope this video is informative for you and you will get the solution of your problem. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more such informative videos.